So, magpadayon to sa tong types of cost. So, for number 5, operating cost. So, these are expenses needed to run a business daily but are not linked to a specific product. So, these costs can be either fixed or variable. So, common examples ani is the rent and utilities for a factory. So, di ba? Operating cost. So, kung may yung tag-operating cost, the cost incurred by the business persons to keep the company running. So, unsa man itong mga needed na to na mga expenses para to operate a business. So, those are the things. Next is number 6, opportunity cost. So, meaning is the value of what is given up when choosing one option over another. So, gi-choose nimo siya over another. Okay? So, it is most important when two choices cannot happen at the same time. So, di ba? Dili man gyud ta in moral sense, dili man gyud ta pwede nga duha ang atong uyab. So, unsa man, i-let go nimo tong isa. Okay? So, in investing, it is the difference in returns between selected option and the one not chosen. Okay? So, while opportunity costs do not appear in financial statements, they help in decision making. So, natay option. No? So, duha ka siya option. Give up na tong isa, di ba? So, ingana ang mahitabo sa opportunity cost. Okay? Although, kaning opportunity cost, dili man ni siya mag-appear sa financial statement. No? But, kaning opportunity cost will help us in decision making. Piliyon ba na ko tong isa or katong isa? Mas makatabang ba tong isa kaysa aning isa? No? Example, if a company buys new plane instead of leasing it, mupalit ba daw si company o bagong airplane or magrenta na lang siya para mas barato? Diba? Kay para kung mupalit siya, meaning mupalit siya og tag 100 million na plane. And money is spent upfront. Bayad ka dayon kung mupalit ka. Well, kung magrenta ka, tagi-tagi, di ba? Magrenta ka, dili nimo bayaran buo 100 million diretso. Pwede ka mo bayad lang sa og, let's say 30 million, no? At least in that time frame, naka-spend ka og, naka-save ka og 70 million because from 100 million ni baba siya. Kung mag-rent ka, 30 million na lang daw imong ma-spend. Okay? So, imong ma-save is 70 million. Pwede nimo to ibayad og mga utang nimo. Pwede ka mag-invest og another business. Okay? Na-gets? Cost. Okay. So, pag moingon tag sunk cost, it means that a cost that has already been spent and cannot be recovered. Dili na nimo ma-recover. Nakagasto na ka. Okay? It should not influence future decisions because it remains the same. Nakagasto na ka regardless of what you choose. Okay? Instead, decisions should be based on relevant cost, which change depending on the choice made. So, all sunk costs are fixed costs, but not all fixed costs are sunk costs. For example, si Anna, gusto siya, nipalit siya og concert ticket ni TJ Monterde. No? So, worth 15,000 yung gipalit. Gusto siya VVVVIP. No? So, that money is already spent. Nabayad na siya og 15,000 sa SM tickets. No? So, once nibayad na ka sa SM tickets, it cannot be refunded. If she later realizes na naadi siya important assignment and deadline na to ang assignment, she must decide whether to go to the concert or finish her work. No? So, but regardless of moadto siya sa concert or not, nigasto na siya og 15,000 which is non-refundable. So, 15,000 now is considered a sunk cost and should not impact her decisions. So, ingana na siya ang pag-decide, no? Regardless of mo adto ka dili, gasto na ka. So, that is sunk cost. And that means that it has been already spent and cannot be recovered. Next, controllable cost. Last nato na type of cost. So, pag minguntag controllable from the word itself, no, si manager na control over that cost. These costs are relevant when single person has the authority to decide on them. Okay? Diba pag single ka, nakay authority sa imong self na, oy, I want to eat out, I want to ingani na. Walay mag-vote sa imo. Therefore, you have the control. Now, in business setup, si manager, let's say si manager, na siya control over the supplies, advertising, magpa-advertise ba or dili. No? So, employee bonuses, kung good ang performance ng mga employees, magpa-bonus ba siya or dili na lang sa, magpakaon na lang siya. Diba? Charitable donations, since they can be changed quickly, they are considered short-term cost. Controllable cost na siya. Ito yung mga control ni manager. So, those are 8 types of cost. Okay, kung balikan na to, ang una, natay direct cost. No? So, indirect cost, fixed cost, variable cost, operating, opportunity, sunk, and controllable. No? So, please read your module para masabtan ninyo ang inyuhang types of cost. Next Next, costing methods. No? So, pag may tag costing methods, medyo daghan-daghan ni siya. No? So, natay part 3 for costing methods. So, una, job costing. Unsa man ang job costing? Mag-define ta what is contract costing, cost plus costing, batch costing, and process costing. So, let's start.